Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to clear cache and boost RAM in Windows 11. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go for the taskbar and right click on it and go for the task manager. Now from here go for this icon over here, performance, and go for the memory. As you can see, we have a cache 7.9 gigabyte. So in order for you to fix that, just simply open up any web browser into your PC and search for RAM map. And now from here, it will be an official application by the Microsoft. So click on the first one. And now from here, click on download. And now it will be downloaded as a zip file. And you can just simply click this folder icon over here. And then you could just simply right click on it and go ahead and extract it into your folder. So just simply select a location, select extract, and you will have this application over here. So guys, double click on this one over here and click on yes if prompted. And now guys, you will have the application over here, and just simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, from here, once the application is okay, you can just simply go ahead and select empty over here at the top and select empty standby list. So from here, as you can see, it is 7.8 gigabyte as of now. And when we do that, as you can see, it narrows down to 500 MB almost. And from there, you should be able to clear cache. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.